Do your legs hurt or swell up all of a sudden, especially after sitting for a long time? Or maybe you've had a sharp cramping feeling that won't go away. These health problems become all too typical as we get older. But what if there is a natural technique to help stop and even dissolve the blood clots that many seniors have? What if taking a simple vitamin could enhance your circulation and make your legs feel lighter and pain-free? Stay with me because this video will show you an amazing natural treatment that could change how you think about your health. Welcome if you're new here. Please follow our channel. This channel is for seniors like you who want to be healthier and happier after age 60. Every week, we provide you fresh ideas for natural treatments, medical advice, and ways to live a longer, healthier, and more independent life. By signing up, you'll always get important health tips that can help you take care of yourself, like how to strengthen your bones, improve your circulation, or even get better sleep. But a lot of people don't know this. A simple vitamin could help with your blood clot problems. Today, we're going to talk about how vitamin D is very important for breaking up those hazardous clots and making your legs healthier overall. Let's look into this unusual treatment together. The issue: blood clots in your legs. Many of us are at danger of getting blood clots, especially in our legs, as we become older. There are many things that might cause blood clots to form, such as sitting or standing for long periods of time, taking certain drugs, or having certain health problems like high blood pressure or diabetes. Blood clots can stop blood from flowing to important locations, which can cause discomfort, edema, or even worse problems if they aren't managed. Think about this. You've been sitting for hours, maybe watching your favorite show or reading a book, and all of a sudden, your calf hurts really badly. You might experience cramping or tightness in this area, and your leg might swell up from time to time. That could be the start of a blood clot. This problem is especially common in older people whose blood flow has slowed down. The fundamental question now is, how can we keep these painful and hazardous clots from happening? Vitamin D can be the secret weapon you need. Let's look at how this vitamin works. What vitamin D does for circulation. Stay with me. The following portion might surprise you. Most people think of vitamin D as something that helps keep our teeth and bones strong, but it also helps keep our blood vessels healthy and improve circulation. Vitamin D is important for controlling calcium levels in the body and keeping blood vessels working properly. Low amounts of vitamin D can make our blood vessels weaker, make circulation worse, and raise the risk of blood clots. It's like the main roads in our bodies where blood flows freely are suddenly blocked. But we can assist keep those blood vessels robust by making sure our vitamin D levels are just right. This makes it easier for blood to flow normally and stops clots from forming. Let me tell you a story now. Sarah, a 72-year-old retiree from Michigan, had a lot of trouble with leg cramps and edema in her lower legs for years. Her doctor said that was just a normal part of getting older. But once she started taking a vitamin D tablet every day, she discovered something amazing. The pain in her legs went away, and the swelling went down. She was doubtful at first and thought, how can a vitamin really make a difference? But after a few weeks, she felt better and had more energy. Her doctor said that raising her vitamin D levels had made her blood flow better. Sarah could have been in danger of getting more significant blood clots if she hadn't made that tiny alteration. How vitamin D breaks up blood clots. Let's go a little deeper. What does vitamin D do to assist break up blood clots? Calcium helps the muscles around your blood vessels contract and relax in a healthy way. And vitamin D is also important for keeping calcium levels in check. When you don't have enough vitamin D, these muscles don't perform right, and blood flow slows down. Clots are more likely to occur at this time, Getting enough vitamin D helps your body control the contraction and relaxation of these muscles, which helps keep blood flowing smoothly. Researchers found that people with higher levels of vitamin D had a far decreased chance of getting deep vein thrombosis, DVT, a common type of blood clot. Vitamin D may not only help stop clots from forming, but it may also help break them down once they occur, functioning like a natural blood thinner. How much vitamin D do older people need? You might be thinking, how much vitamin D do I need to keep blood clots from forming? Health experts say that older people should try to get between 800 to 1,000 IU, international units, of vitamin D every day. But the amount can change according on your health needs, food, and how much sun you get. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means that it works best when you eat it with foods that have some fat. You could need a supplement if you don't receive enough sunlight. Some older people have trouble getting enough vitamin D from food alone, so they may need to take a supplement. However, you should always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement plan. The best places for seniors to get vitamin D. What are the best ways to obtain vitamin D into your body? First, let's speak about where food comes from. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are all fatty fish that are high in vitamin D. Egg yolks, especially from birds that live on a farm, have a lot of them. Foods that have been fortified, such milk, orange juice, and cereals, are simple methods to obtain a boost. But for a lot of us, especially those who live in colder places or don't receive much sun, taking a vitamin D supplement can be the best approach to be sure you're receiving enough. A lot of people think that the only way to receive vitamin D is from being in the sun. Sunlight helps our bodies make vitamin D, but it's not always enough, especially in the winter or for people who reside in northern latitudes. As we become older, our skin becomes less able to make vitamin D, which is why taking supplements is even more important. Cultural beliefs about vitamin D and blood clots. Let's discuss about how different cultures have used vitamin D for hundreds of years to be healthy. In Scandinavian countries, for instance, where there isn't much sunlight for most of the year, taking vitamin D supplements is widespread. People in these areas often use cod liver oil, which is high in vitamin D, as a traditional way to deal with not getting enough sunlight and keep their bones healthy. Vitamin D is routinely added to daily routines in India, where turmeric and other plants are commonly utilized for health. This is especially true for fortified meals. These cultural customs show how important vitamin D has been for health for a long time. It helps keep our bodies working properly, especially in tough climes, by preventing clotting and improving circulation. And now, contemporary science backs up these traditions by proving how crucial it is to get enough vitamin D for good health. How to get your daily dose of vitamin D. Here's what I think you should do to make sure you receive enough vitamin D every day. 1. If you don't receive enough from diet or sunlight, take a daily supplement. 2. Get some fresh air. Even 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight a day might help your body make vitamin D. 3. Eat foods that are high in vitamin D, such salmon, fortified milk, or eggs. 4. Keep an eye on your levels. Ask your doctor to check your vitamin D levels at your regular appointments. Now I want to hear what you have to say. Do you have trouble with swelling or soreness in your legs? Have you seen any changes since you started paying more attention to how much vitamin D you get? Please tell us about your experience below, and let's help each other keep healthy. In short, vitamin D is important for more than just strong bones and teeth. It can also help your blood flow better and stop blood clots, especially in your legs. You can help your body maintain your blood vessels robust, increase circulation, And keep your legs feeling good by making sure you're getting enough vitamin D. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video helped you. By signing up, you'll get weekly recommendations developed particularly for seniors. These tips can help you live longer, healthier, and happier after the age of 60. I'll see you in the future video. Take care of yourself.